Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of full stack web development tutorials. In previous lecture, we have discussed various ways of creating custom objects. You can go through previous lecture and understand those ways and differences between them. So here you can see method 2 takes multiple statements. Here you can say 4 statements to create an object, while method 3 winds up it in a single statement or creates an object in a single statement. So in this lecture, what we are trying to do, we'll create an object using a function and using method 3. So when we are talking about a function and creating object using it, we can we can just pass multiple parameters and the function will return an object. So what we are going to do here, we are using that function to create multiple objects using a single statement. So let us try that. So for example, what I am going to do here, I will create a person using function and method 3. So let us start. I can comment the above one, so it gives us nothing. Now let us start it. Create a function with a keyword function and provide a name of the function. In my case, I am going to provide a name create person, and then I will provide some parameters which will be the basis of creating that object. So here you can see we have passed two parameters. You can see in third one, this is the object, right? This thing, this thing is the object. So what I am going to do, I will copy this thing and I will return it as it is, right? I will just indent it beautifully so that you can understand in a better way. So here you can see we are returning this thing, right? But this name is hard coded here. So for that we have to take first name and the last name that has been passed in the function. Similarly here it should be first name and this should be last name, right? So you can see that we have created a function and we have passed two parameters to it that we are assigning to an object, or the object is being returned by the function. So what we can do now, we need to mark the end of statement here at this place. So we have successfully created the function, right? Now what we can do, we can create multiple objects. So you have to pass two arguments. In my case, I am passing the first argument and second argument. This will create object 1. So maybe I can do one thing. I can write Unyal 1 here and will create another object du2 which will make it Unyal 2. Now let us try to run this. So how we are going to do, du1 dot, and we need to call something, right? So this is the function that we are going to call. Similarly you can call for it du2, but let us try to run this program for du1. Welcome undefined. Okay, so there is some problem that we need to understand. Okay, here you can see when we are using this, that we need to use the variable of object. So I will make it first and last. That's why the value was undefined. I have saved this file. Now refresh it again. Now you can see here I am getting welcome Deepak Unyal 1. Similarly, if you want to create another object, you need to execute this statement which has already been executed, and then you can call any function on that object, and here you can see. So in this way you can use function and method 3 for creating multiple objects in a single statement, right? So I think this is uh, this is it for the this lecture in object creation. One thing you can notice here, there is no new keyword, right? Because it is just a simple function, so you don't need to use any a new keyword for this, because we are not calling any object or any constructor here, right? So I think this is enough for this lecture. If you have any doubt regarding these creating these objects, you can write in the comments or mail me. I will surely respond back. Thank you so much.